What is up, you guys? And in today's video, I'm gonna give you the 5 most profitable woodworking projects during Christmas time that you can sell and make a lot of cash pretty fast. Let's dive in. All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the show. So grateful for you, those of you that have been watching, been listening for a long time. I just want you to know that we do this to help you, and we're glad that you're here. And so I want to give you 5 ideas around Christmas time that can help you stay profitable as a woodworking business or as just doing this as a hobbyist as well. So number 1, and I think this is probably the most true around Christmas time, the most profitable thing that you can do is anything that's engraved and you can customize. And so right now it is gift giving season. So typically speaking, what happens is that really high ticket woodworking items kind of taper off, and the faster, smaller items are the ones that you're going to make a lot of your money on if you want to go that route. My business doesn't go that route. We continue to do dining tables because we have like a 12-week lead time. So that's what we continue to focus on. But for you, if you're trying to get some traction around this time of the year, if you're trying to make a few extra $1,000s, the first thing you can do is anything that's engraved. So if you have a CNC machine, if you have a laser, if you have anything that you can customize with names, with dates, with celebrations, cutting boards, wall signage, charcuterie boards, anything like that that you can engrave and customize with lettering is really, really popular around this time of year. And so number 2, Christmas tree boxes. And so you may say, okay, Zach, what exactly is a Christmas tree box? Christmas tree box is essentially just a decorative box that you put around the base of the Christmas tree. This is super simple. You're literally cutting miters on 4 pieces of wood, nailing and gluing them together, staining and sanding, putting a finish on, and you're done. It's very easy, very fast. You can sell those for probably anywhere from $40 to $100. You just got to make sure that you have a way to market them. Okay, so number 3, and I mentioned this a little bit in the first one, but just wall and shelf decor. So there are a few things right now that can be really popular. So you could make little Christmas trees, little snowflake type ornaments. Again, you could do some type of signage around Christmas. That kind of stuff is going to do really, really good around this time of year. You can take your scraps, all your cutoffs from if you're building furniture like we do, and you can build a lot of that stuff and just turn it into some quick cash. Number 4, and I love this one, this is probably my favorite one because this is what we do, is that you still continue to build furniture, you just offer some more flexible payment terms. So like I mentioned, a lot of people's finances are going to be going toward gifts, not really toward these big ticket items. So if you can, instead of making somebody pay all up front for a dining table set, or instead of them paying 50% up front and 50% upon completion, what if you could break it up to where they pay 25 when you begin the order and then 50% when you finish it? Stuff like that with some more flexible payment terms is a really great way to capitalize in the same market that maybe you might have been in when it's a little bit harder to sell. And so just FYI, what we tend to see is the first half of December still being pretty strong from a marketing and sales standpoint around dining room furniture, things like that. But what happens is around the 20th of December, that tends to start tapering off pretty hard and pretty heavy through the end of the year. Also, just FYI, January tends to be a slower month as well. Last product that I'll recommend around this time of the year, tall front door Christmas signs. So Merry Christmas from the Vaught family, where you basically take a big wide 10 or 12 inch wide board that's 6 feet tall. You paint, stain, and decorate or engrave that board for families. So one of the best things to do right now with that as well, to kind of upcharge and make a little bit more money, is to use bows, ribbons to decorate it, make it look beautiful. And again, your target demographic for this type of stuff is typically going to be women. I could live in a cardboard box. I'm not going to put a $100, $150 sign outside my cardboard box that I could live in if I wanted to. So women that care about the aesthetic, the look and the feel of their home, they feel the responsibility to keep the home beautiful. They're going to be your target audience on this. So dress it up, make it look beautiful so that you can sell a few of those during this holiday season and put an extra couple $1,000s in your pocket. So if this video was helpful to you, if you want to continue to grow in your woodworking skills and woodworking knowledge, your woodworking business knowledge, be sure to check out the Handmade Business Secrets ebook. It's completely free. There's a link down below to check that out. And then if you're ready to really scale your operation and take it to the next level, be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program as well. So with that being said, love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.